You want to lose belly fat, but every time you look in the mirror, it's still there. You try abs workouts, crunches, sit-ups, but nothing changes. Here's the truth. You can't spot reduced belly fat, but you can melt it off the smart way. And it starts with these 6 exercises. Not fancy, not complicated, but deadly effective. Let's go. First up, push-ups. Simple? Yeah. But when done right, it's a full upper body shredder. Chest, shoulders, triceps, and even your core. Do them slow. Control every inch. Next, squats. You hate them, I know. But squats are king. They torch calories, build legs, and fire up your metabolism like crazy. Then we've got deadlifts. This one's raw power. You pick heavy stuff off the ground, your whole body wakes up. Legs, back, core, all working together. And that's where fat starts to die. Fourth, bench press, the classic. Push hard, control the bar, feel every rep. The more muscle you build here, the faster your body burns fat, even while you sleep. Next up, pull-ups or chin-ups. Yeah, they're tough, but if you can pull your body up, you're already ahead of most people in the gym. It builds your lats, arms, and grip strength, all while tightening that midsection. Last one, rows. Barbell or dumbbell, doesn't matter. Pull with your back, not your arms. Rows build thickness, posture, and a strong, fat-burning back. These 6 moves hit almost every muscle in your body. They burn calories, boost strength, and help reveal that lean shape under the fat. But listen, these workouts alone won't magically burn belly fat. You need the full combo. Stay in a slight calorie deficit, get 7 to 8 hours of sleep, and move every day, even if it's just 10,000 steps. That's the real secret. Train hard, eat smart, recover right. Do that, and the belly fat won't stand a chance.
Fix your push-up form and make every rep count. Watch this video now.